Welcome back, guys. You have probably seen these car evolution videos all over your feed. Some of these videos are going viral, and some of these channels making these type of videos are making quite good money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this step by step. First, hand over to our Skool page and open the Vehicle Evolution course. The link is in the description below. Once you are inside, go to the main prompt section. There is where you will find the full master prompt we are going to use to generate the environment and all the car generations correctly. This master prompt is designed to first generate a locked environment plate. The mean one consistent background with fixed perspective, lighting, and composition. Then it generates each generation using the exact same viewpoint, scale, and lane placement. So the prompt is not just describing a car, it's controlling the camera logic, lighting consistency, and physical realism across all generations. All right, guys, so first let's do a sample. I'm just going to copy this prompt, and you guys can use any LLMs. In here, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to create a new session and I will place whatever I copy in here and enter. Once you paste the master prompt, ChatGPT will start by asking you a few setup questions. First, which car line you want to evolve. It even gives you options. For an example, Porsche 911, BMW 3 Series, GT, and more. Second, you choose the environment. Again, it gives you predefined options, so everything stays structured. Third, how many generations you want. For this example, I'm selecting Porsche 911, Desert Highway, and 5 generations. Once you confirm, it will generate everything for you, the environment prompt and all generation image prompts. It already understand and correct timeline, so you don't need to research and give it to the ChatGPT. It will generate everything for you. Now, all you have to do is copy the prompt one by one. So let's start with the environment plate prompt. Then go to OpenArt. If you are new to OpenArt, use the link in the description, guys. You will get 500 free credit plus limited time discount on different models for image and video generation. It's a good way to test everything without spending much at the start. Choose text to image. For the model, I recommend using Google Nano Banana Pro. Paste the environment prompt. Choose your aspect ratio depending on your final output. If you are creating a normal landscape video, keep it 16 by 9. If you are making a short video, choose 9 by 16. Then generate the image. Okay, so we have generated 2 environment variations. Just pick up one and you can download it. Now we move to the car generations. Before generating the generation 1, there is one very important step. Go to the reference section and use Omni Reference. Upload the environment image as your first reference image. This locks the background, perspective, and lighting. Then paste the generation 1 prompt into the prompt field. Leave the settings as default and generate the image. As you can see, our first generation look solid. From here, repeat the same process for every generation. But here is a pro tip. For consistency, after generating each generation image, download it. Then when you create the next generation, upload both the environment plate and the previous generation image into Omni Reference. This helps the model maintain the exact same placement, scale, and orientation across all generations. It reduces drift and keep everything aligned for the transformation later. I'm going to generate all the remaining generations now and speed this part up. All right, now that all generation images are ready, we can move on to the transformation stage and start building the video. Now go back to the Skool page again, scroll down and you will find the video prompt. There are two versions, a long prompt and a short prompt. Use them depending on the model you are working with. For now, the best results I found are with VO 3.1. So use the first long prompt for VO 3.1. If you are using Kling 3, you can try the second prompt. Sometimes the short version works better, so feel free to test both. The longer one gives you more consistent mechanical details. All right, so copy the prompt, then go back to the OpenArt and switch to image to video. Select the video model and choose VO version 3.1, version 3, and in here version 3.1. Make sure you select the first and the last frame. Upload generation 1 as the first frame and generation 2 as the last frame. Paste the prompt in the prompt description area. Just click generate. You don't need to wait for one video to fully finish before starting the next video. You can queue them up. You need 4 transitions clip in total. For the second video, I'm going to use the generation 2 as the first frame and generation 3 as the last frame. Don't need to change anything in the prompt. Just swap the images and make the video. For the third clip, use the generation 3 and generation 4. And for the final clip, use generation 4 and generation 5. Let's generate all 4 videos. Alright, so all videos are done. We can preview these videos in here and see how they look. Looks good, and the final step is stitching everything together. You can use Premiere, CapCut or any free editing tools. Just place the clips in order and export. And that's it. That's how you create viral car evolution videos using AI with the structured prompting. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.